To my YouTube channel, guys. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to deposit money from your bank account to your crypto exchange. So in this video, I'm going to be using a crypto exchange, which is Bybit. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Bybit. And I want to believe that you have created your Bybit account. Creation of account on Bybit is not hard, so find your way around it. Just create an account and then come to deposit money. So you can see our Bybit up here. So this is the Bybit you are going to be using. You click on Bybit and then you wait for it to load. Okay, so we are here on Bybit and this is the interface, except if you have a new account, you may not see anything in your account except to deposit money. So when I come to Bybit, you can see deposit. We are not going to make use of this deposit because when you click on it, I'm going to show you all those currencies, foreign currencies that can be deposited direct into Bybit. So we are going to be making use of P2P trading. So what does P2P trading mean? P2P trading means person-to-person trading. You are going to be trading with somebody else that you are not seeing. You are not seeing the person physically, but you are going to be trading with the person. You are going to be sending the person. Since what you have at hand is Naira, you send Naira to the person and the person will in return send you a crypto coin. And the coin that you are going to be using is USDT, which is equivalent to dollars. It is a stable coin. So we are going to be making use of P2P trading. So you click on P2P trading and wait for it to load. So here we are in P2P interface. We are going to be explaining everything that you are seeing right here. So the first thing you can see is buy. Buy is where you want to buy something from someone. You are buying USDT from the person and you are sending the person Naira. Sell is when you are already having your USDT and you want to sell it out. The person will take the USDT and then person will first send your money to you, you confirm it, and then you release the coin. So you can see Naira over here. Naira is the money you are sending to the person where you want to buy. So you can still change it to any other currency. When you click on it, you can see there's still other currencies you can change it to. So but we are using Naira. Now the next thing you have to know is this place. You can see USDT here. USDT is the coin that you are going to be receiving. Like I told you people, we are going to be making use of USDT, and even if you are trading, I advise you to make use of USDT. Is a stable coin. Then you can see amount. Amount is where you want to filter the exact amount you want to see. Like this amount, you want to filter the exact amount you want to see. And payment method is the method you want to be using to make your payment. So let's click on it and you see what I'm talking about. You can see. So when you click on all, it means you can make payment from all this bank. If you click on bank transfer, it means you just want to be transferring through your bank. All right, so let's go back. So you can see filter here. You can see filter here. So filter means you want to filter these adverts. All these things you are seeing are called adverts. So you want to filter it so that you bring the ones that you need. It's not all these adverts that you need. For instance, you can see some of these adverts are ineligible, right? You can see ineligible, which means we cannot buy coin from these guys. We cannot buy coin from them. So we want to filter it to give you the ones that you need, right? And again, if you are buying any coin, you have to have some things in mind. Now what you are seeing here is what you call order number, right? This is the amount of order this guy has completed. This active 11 has completed about 5,693 orders. So this is order rate or completion rate, right? Completion rate is how this guy has been complying in performing his order. This guy has been fast in remitting. When you send coin to him, when you send money to him, he releases the coin fast, or when he's sending, he send the money fast and he doesn't waste time, which means this guy is very fast, 99%, and he has completed about 5,000 and something orders. It's very fast. So you have to consider this. You can't buy from somebody that have something like 75% completion rate. It will be wrong. So you look at this again as well. You can see 1,751. This is the rate this guy is selling $1. So for this guy now, active $1 is selling it for 1,751 naira. Though we are not eligible to buy from this guy, you can see it here, we are not eligible to buy from this guy. So the next one I'm going to be checking is this. Where you check out the name, you can see there's something like a dot, a green dot, right? That green dot is very important because it helps you to know who is online and who is not online. You can't afford to send your money to someone that is not online. When the dot is green, it means the person is online. When it's not green, you know that the person is not online. So let's check some of this out. Let's first use filter, because some of these ad here we are not eligible to buy. So you come to filter and you click on it. So in this filter you can see some features there. The first thing you see there is show only eligible ads. So when you click on show any eligible ad, they are going to be showing you only those ads that you are eligible to buy. The second thing you are going to be seeing there is show only verified advertisers. So it's not all advertisers that are verified. For instance, when you look down here, you can see this person. There is nothing, you are not seeing anything at the front. People that are verified, you see a verification badge at the front signifying that they are verified. So when you click on show only verified advertisers, they are going to show you those that Bybit have verified the account. The importance of that is so that you not fall into the hand of scammers over here. So the next thing you are going to be looking at is this price lowest to highest. So when you click on this price now, they are going to sort all these adverts rather, from the one that have the lowest price to the one that have the highest price. So the next one I'm going to be looking at is this completed order number. So I've showed you guys completed order number before. You can see for this guy, as an instance, he has completed 4,147 orders. Right? Me, I buy coin from someone that have completed many orders and also have a good completion rate. So you have to check that as well to know how many orders the person have completed, how many orders the person have completed. Is also a good thing for you to check before you can trade with anybody. So you can see completion rate. Completion rate is the percent that Bybit have rated the person based on how fast the person is in the completion of his or her order. Some people are not fast. You send money to them and they will be telling you one thing for 2 hours, your coin is there to be released. So this completion rate is good. 99% out of 100 is good. So if you want to trade, may advise you to trade with somebody that have up to 90% completion rate, from 90 to 100% completion rate. So you look at completion time limit. So completion time limit is the time given for you to complete the order that you place. Some people place their completion time limit as 15 minutes, some people at 30 minutes. So when you filter it, if you click on 15 minutes, they are going to show you people that their completion time limit is just 15 minutes. If you click on 30 minutes, they are going to show you people that their completion limit is just 30 minutes. So we are going to be leaving it at all. So I'm going to show you those for both 15 and 30 minutes. Then you click on confirm. Now you can see when we click on confirm, they are now showing us orders. All this order you are seeing, you are not seeing anyone that is, you are not seeing anything like ineligible again. All you are seeing is buy. So that help us to filter it now to show us the ones that we are eligible to buy. Now check what I was saying the other time. When you look at this first guy, if you check that T, under that T, you see that tick is not green. When you look at this second guy, you can see that tick is green, meaning that this guy is online, right? So you can't buy coin from someone that is not online, even though this guy has a good completion rate, but he's not online now, except you don't want your coin now. So you click, if you want to buy, you check the amount. If you look here, you see this is the amount of USDT that this guy want to sell. Then if you look down, you see the limit. The limit is from 20,000 to 400,000 naira. So if you're having just 19,000 to buy, you cannot actually buy from this guy because your money is not up to the limit. The minimum is 20,000 and the maximum is 400,000. So that is it. So let's say for instance we are having 15,000 naira, and we want to buy. So you can buy from this guy as well. You can see the minimum is 5,000 and the maximum is 900,000, and he has a good completion rate of 99%, and the order rate is good, 4,000 something, and is verified as well. So this guy is good, and again he's online. You can see it's green, he's online. So you click on buy. So when you come to buy, you have to read what the person dropped. You actually have to check it out. You check it out so that you know what the person is talking about. This one say, can you drop your number, blah blah. This one is not saying anything that will make us not to buy from him. So it's okay, you can buy from him. So here is where you put the amount you are going to be spending. So we said we are going to be spending how much again? We're going to be spending 15,000 naira. So let's put 15,000 naira. So we want to buy a coin of 15,000 naira. And again, when you come to this place, you see online, which means that this guy is online. Like I said, don't buy from someone that is not online. It's a bit risky. So we click where we have put our 15,000. You click on buy. So when you come here, you don't have anything to do here. You just have to read everything that they put here. So this is the amount of USDT you are going to be receiving. This amount of USDT you are going to be receiving. We are going to be receiving 8.4318 USDT. Where we'll send 15,000 to this guy. So you just click on pay now. Now this is where you need to copy the person's account number. You can see the account details. You can see the details here. You can see the details. So you can see the details. You have to copy the person's account number. For me, I don't copy everything. I just copy the account number. Where you click on this small thing here, you've copied the account number. You just have the account name in your head and then the person's name, and you go to your bank. So you go to your bank app. If you are using OPay, you go to your OPay. If you are using PalmPay, you go to your PalmPay and send money to this account. Another thing you have to know is, as you are sending the money, don't go and write USDT at the remark or narration. If you write it, your money will not be sent successfully. Your money will not be sent. Your money will not go. So you don't need to write anything at the remark, or the highest you can write is just your name. So you just write your full name at the remark. Me personally, I don't write anything at the remark. I don't write anything and that remark. I just send the money. Then after you have sent the money to this account and you have confirmed send the money to this account, then you come here and click payment completed. Next thing, don't click on this payment completed if you have not made payment, otherwise your account is at risk and you may be banned from opening Bybit account. So you must send the money first before you click on payment completed. Once you click on payment completed, Bybit will send a message to this guy that's sending the coin that you have made your payments, that he or she should release the coin to you, and then under few minutes the person will release the coin. So you can see the time is ticking, and as you are trying to do the transaction, you must be watching your time. This time was 15 minutes before. You can see here within 15 minutes. So you have to make your transaction fast within 15 minutes, and you come back here and click payment completed so that your coin will be released to you. So just in case you want to speak with the seller, that is person that you are buying from, you can just click on this. Okay, I didn't show you that. So you can just click on this thing that look like message here. So you can just click on it, or you want to communicate with the seller. So you can just say, hello guy, I've sent you the money. You can just click here, type the message you want to type. Hello, I've sent you the money. You click on this to send, click here. So click on this icon here to send the message to him or her that you have sent the money, that he or she should release your coin. And then the person, once the person releases the coin, you are going to see it. You are going to see the coin. So once the person releases the coin, you are going to see that the coin has been released. And then when you now come here, you are going to see the coin that will be released to you. You are going to see your money reflecting here. Or when you come here, click on this asset. When you click on this asset, you can see assets down here. You can see assets down here. When you click on it, you will see your money in this funding wallet. You see your money in this funding wallet here. You see your money here in this funding wallet. So let me just, for the sake of this tutorial, let me remove this. So you see your money here. For me now, I have $8.74 in my funding wallet and 18.95 in my funding wallet for now. So that is how it is. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transfer money from your funding wallet to your unified wallet. So if this video is actually helpful to you, if you have gained value from this video, please, I urge you to subscribe. I urge you to subscribe. It's not costing you anything. Just click on the subscription button, like the video so that YouTube can recommend the video to other crypto traders or beginners, and God will bless you. It won't cost you anything to subscribe. Just subscribe so that you can be able to see more videos like this, well and well explained. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Do well to like and subscribe.